Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we have discussed regarding tenses today, we are going to discuss the concept of tenses and how it works. Basically, what are tenses actually? We've been studying tenses, and as we have discussed today, that tenses are these are the three tenses which you've been studying since your very beginning or your primary classes: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now, well, past tense is something that has already happened. Present, what is happening right now, and future, that is something which is going to happen. All right, and each of these tenses have got again they've got four types again, like simple, continuous, present, perfect, and perfect continuous. So, like present, if you talk about present, present has four types: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Now, what are these types basically? That is something which we were discussing today. These types are actually the four ways of communicating or expressing yourself. Now, when you're talking about present tense in English language, let's suppose that there is no other way of talking about present tense other than these four ways. That is basically what I mean by the concept behind tenses. When I say the concept behind tenses, it means that if you are talking about past tense, present tense, or future tense, these are the four ways of expressing yourself. In past tense, you can, if you want to talk about past tense, you either be talking within the category simple or continuous past, or it's going to be past perfect or past perfect continuous. There's no other way of expressing yourself if you are talking in past tense, or if you are relating something which has already happened in the past. Same is the case with present tense, and similarly it's with future tense. So that means if you talk about tenses, it's the concept behind tenses is that there are 12 ways in which you can communicate, 12 ways in which you can express yourself within the boundary of these tenses. I mean, if you want to talk about anything else other than these 12 ways, let's suppose that it's not possible right now. These 12 ways or 12 kinds of sentence structures is something, if you learn them perfectly, if you try to master them, means that you have almost learned the language completely. Now, well, after understanding the concept of these tenses, let's have a look at what these 12 ways are. Now, that's something which we will be learning in detail. Let's look at this table which is there right in front of you. Now, this is something which we need to make, we'll just take one sentence and we'll try to fill in these boxes, these 12 boxes, and express ourselves in 12 different ways. And once you are able to express one sentence in 12 different ways, that means you have mastered this language and you'll be able to speak about whatever you want to say. All right, I hope